In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Scratch on Windows 10. Whether you're diving into the world of coding for the first time or you're an educator looking to bring Scratch into your classroom, this process is simple and straightforward. So, let's get started and have you ready to start creating those imaginative projects in no time. First, we need to access the platform where Scratch is available for download. To do this, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 computer. Navigate over to the official Scratch website by typing scratch.mit.edu download into the search bar and hitting enter. This webpage will be your main hub for downloading the application, and you'll be greeted with options for different operating systems. Once you're on the Scratch download page, your next step is to select your operating system. You'll notice there are different options available, one for Mac OS and the one we're interested in today for Windows. Ensure that you're selecting the Windows option here. This part is crucial because it ensures that the correct version of Scratch, compatible with Windows 10, is downloaded to your system. Next, you will see an option for direct download. Go ahead and click on this link. This will begin the process of downloading the Scratch installer to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments, so be patient. Once the download is complete, it's time to locate the downloaded file. Head over to your downloads folder. In most cases, this will be easily accessible from File Explorer, or you might even find it listed in your browser's download bar at the bottom of the screen. Look for a file with a name starting with Scratch and a Check-C extension. Now the exciting part, installing Scratch. Double click on the file to start the installation. Windows might prompt you with a security warning asking to confirm that you want to open this file. Rest assured it's safe, so go ahead and click yes to continue. The Scratch installer will guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve agreeing to some terms and choosing an installation location. As the installation progresses, you'll soon see a notification that Scratch has successfully been installed on your computer. You can launch it immediately by clicking finish if prompted, otherwise locate the new Scratch icon on your desktop or find it through your start menu and click to open it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have Scratch installed on your Windows 10 computer, ready to start your programming journey. Get creative, experiment with projects, and most importantly, have fun exploring all that Scratch has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy coding.